Scandinavian egg coffee? What? Trust me, first thing you're gonna wanna do is get 9 cups of water boiling on a saucepan. And while that's heating up, we're gonna take 3/4 cup of ground coffee with 1/4 cup of water, pour it into a mixing bowl. And then we'll take our egg. You can crack the egg in, or for die-hard egg coffee lovers, you can throw the whole egg in there, shell and all. And then you'll wanna crush, mix up your mixture. Trust me, I'm telling you, we can really see the consistency starting to form there. True cup of mud. All right. And then you're done, you just eat up. No, I'm joking. You'll take your eggy paste, pour it into your hot water on the pan, mix it in, let it simmer with the heat turned down for about 3 minutes. You'll know your concoction is done when the eggy paste clump has surfaced to the top. Hang in there, trust me. Now we have removed our mixture from the heat. We're gonna add another cup of water and let this mixture sit for an additional 10 minutes to give the grounds and eggshells a chance to sink to the bottom. Now you're probably wondering, why did I put an egg in this coffee mixture? I'm glad you asked. It's a Scandinavian type of coffee, and the egg whites, yolk, and shell mix together to remove the acidity and bitterness taste of the coffee. Now that we've let our mixture sit long enough, get yourself a strainer and filter, whatever will do. Personally, I like my coffee on the creamier side rather than crunchy. So we are going to strain this mixture into another container. This is for those of you that don't want as many eggshells in your coffee when you're done. And then once you've strained out enough to try, you can transfer your strained egg coffee into your favorite mug. Let's give it a taste. Smooth. Scandinavian egg coffee. I'm not joking. These jokes are crushing.